Hello everyone, welcome back to Droid Tips, and in this video we are going to talk about how to fix Wi-Fi is disconnecting from your iPhone and you're having a lot of trouble and how you can fix this up. So let's dive into the workaround. The first one, when you're having this particular issue, all you have to start with is simple reset network settings. For this, we just need to tap over here in the settings. Now from here, you have to scroll down and navigate to General. Now from here, we have to scroll down once again. Go over here, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap on Reset once again. And there is an option called Reset Network Settings. So just do a Reset Network Settings. This is the first step. Once after the Reset Network Settings is done, you have to check, going back to the Wi-Fi, whether the issue is solved or not. So it might work or may not work, it depends on it. So if it's not working, do not panic, we have to follow the next instruction. Next instruction is all about, we have to do a force restart on your iPhone. Sometimes not only for the Wi-Fi disconnecting, whenever you are having an issue on your iPhone, on all the series, you can do a force restart. So to do a force restart, you have to press volume up followed by volume down, press and hold the power button unless and until you see the Apple logo. So let me do this, press volume up followed by volume down. I'm going to press the power button unless and until I see the Apple logo. So I have to keep on pressing. So once you see the Apple logo, you need to wait because this has to load it up completely. Because as far as I'm concerned, in all the knowledge, when I go through the Reddit and all the forums, I realized that this one, that is a force restart, is what it fixed for many of the users. So you can try with the force restart. Once the force restart is successfully done and it's completely booted up your iPhone, you can move to the next step. So once it looks like this, and now we have to go back and give the respective passcode and all the details. Once after that, we have to move to the next step. Next step is we have to make 3 important changes, or you have to cross-check 3 important settings to be done on your iPhone. The first one is all about, you have to turn on auto join in the Wi-Fi settings. So just tap over here in the settings. Now from here, go to the Wi-Fi. Now if you go to the Wi-Fi, tap over here on the eye icon, and there is an option called auto join. So if it is turned off, you will be having a lot of trouble. So you have to keep in mind, you have to turn this on. And parallelly, you have to cross-check if the low data mode is turned on. If it is turned on, you have to turn this off. If you turn it on, you'll be having a lot of trouble. So you have to make sure the low data mode should be turned off, and you have to make sure the auto join should be turned on as well. Once after that, you have to go back. Now from here, after going back, we have to go back to over here in the mobile data. Now from here in the mobile data, we have to scroll down, keep on scrolling down, and we have to navigate over here. There is an option called Wi-Fi Assist. So what happens is, as you can see, it is written automatically use mobile data when Wi-Fi connectivity is poor. So we have to turn off this particular Wi-Fi Assist. We have to turn this off because whenever there is a poor strength in the Wi-Fi, it completely disconnected. So you have to keep in mind the Wi-Fi Assist should be turned off completely. After that, you have to go back to the same setting. We have to go over here in the privacy and security. Now from here, go to the location service. If it is turned off like this, you have to turn this off. Once after you turn this off, you have to go over here, keep scrolling down, and you have to navigate to system services. Now from here, there is an option called network and wireless. So you have to turn this off. Just go for turn off and wait for 1 minute. And once after that, you have to turn this off. Now we just need to go back and we have to see whether the issue is solved. So these are the very important things which you have to cross-check when it comes to how to fix this up. Apart from this, there are a few more steps which you have to try out. That is all about, sometimes if you go over here in the Wi-Fi settings, you might be connected with multiple Wi-Fis very recently. For example, you'll be having the history of Wi-Fi connected. So just remove everything from here. Tap over here and you can remove it. Because I haven't connected to this, you'll be having an option to remove this. So remove the history, or you can completely delete the history. And once after that, you can try with the one which you are trying to get in connected. And even after trying with this, if it's not working, the FTTH is not working, then what you need to do is we just need to go over here, tap on this information icon, Now there is an option called forget this network. Go over here to forget this network, and now we have to connect it back once again. Give the password and everything. You have to connect it back. It's like a fresh start, and you can see whether the issue is solved or not. Even after trying with this, still the issue is it's still not working. Then we need to do is we just need to go over here to the VPN. Over here we have to cross check, go to the general. Now from here go to the VPN and device manager, and you have to check whether you are connected or not. Right now as you can see the VPN is not connected. So if the VPN is connected, you have to make sure that is one of the main reasons why we are having disconnecting issue on the Wi-Fi. So we have to remove it as well, or you have to disconnect it. And also you have to go back over here, and we have to remove it from here as well, and you have to go to the general, and the last and the least step is all about software update, and make sure that if you're on the very low versions of the software, then you have to update to the latest versions. Right now as you can see I'm on 16.6. So if you are very lower like 15.9 or something, you have to update to the latest versions, and you have to keep in mind once you update the software to the most probably you have to do a restart on your iPhone, and after that if you back to the Wi-Fi over here, the most probably the disconnecting issue will be completely fixed. And this is what you have to do when it comes to how to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on your iPhone, and how we can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.